Yaman uses a song to explain his gangster mood after the premiere of Marriage by Surprise, and it was none other than the best-selling song of 1995. The famous Turkish star Yaman's fans were worried about the absence of their favorite actor on social media. They need him to update daily. Between the end of October and the end of November, he was missing for a month without showing signs of life. Some speculated about a possible health problem. Others alluded to a busy work schedule. The reason behind this happening is that the famous actor's Turkish projects are increasing. However, Yaman returned to social media to reassure his fans and to, among other things, announce his participation in a video game of medieval knights. The last post made by the successful Turkish star has been much more intriguing. A picture with a diffused light that does not make it clearer where he is, but it conveys some murky air that is accompanied with a very defining song, Gangster Paradise by Coolio. Yaman has not hesitated to share all the lyrics of the song without giving further explanations. A hip-hop classic, Gangsta Paradise. It is a song that this year has turned 25 and was a success, especially when it was included in the soundtrack of Dangerous Minds. Now it's up to the fans of the famous actor to know if Yaman referring to this particular song has to do with the new project or if it simply suited him to the scene for his last photograph. Since 2018, this Coolio theme has been among the 100 bestsellers in history. It was without a doubt the best-selling song in 1995 when it reached number 1 in at least 19 countries. In the United States, he won a Grammy for Best Solo Rap Performance. New series in Spain. Lately, the popular Turkish actor Yaman has been shining more in Spain. This same week, Miteli Plus has started airing Marriage by Surprise, a new series in which he is the protagonist. At the moment, it is only accessible to users of the platform who have the privilege of anticipating its premiere next season. The Marriage by Surprise series is a love story with many connections to the classic Romeo and Juliet. The leading star of the super hit Turkish series Erkenci Kuş this time will portray the character of Tarık, a young man deeply in love with Iter, a young woman with whom he grew up in the same neighborhood. They are so sure of their love that they decide to get married in their last year of university, and they do in secret because his father and her mother hate each other. What the two don't know is that this disagreement comes from a love that was cut short 36 years ago. After the step they have taken, they return to the neighborhood in search of a way to break the news to their family.